Hi there, everyone. Hope you are having a great day. I'm here in Cape Town. We are attending the Train the Trainer workshop here for 1 week. Here I have one of our participants with us. So tell us about yourself.
Okay, my name is Oudou Diabate. I'm come from Mali at the University of Science, Technique and Technology of Bamako, but it is in the African Center of Excellence in Bioinformatics and Data Science. I'm bioinformatician because I have a master's degree in bioinformatics and I'm planning to do my PhD.
Okay, so you have your master's in bioinformatics. How long have you been working as a bioinformatician?
Since 2020, I graduated my master's degree, and since this time, today, I'm working as a bioinformatician,
Okay.
especially in structural bioinformatics. And now also I'm also working as a data scientist for the LOAZ ODSP project Malinud.
Okay, so you have quite a few years of experience and
Yeah.
you sort of quite comfortable in the field of computational biology.
Yeah.
What type of samples do you work with? What type of pathogens do you survey?
Okay, for the samples, I'm using online resources for to perform drug discovery.
Okay,
In I use for my first work, I perform a drug discovery by with SARS-CoV-2 main protease. Especially, I use a natural product from African natural product databases to perform like a virtual screening, and after that, after the virtual screening, I perform some drugability properties, and also I perform for a molecular dynamics simulation to look for the compound which are more stable before the protein. Yeah,
okay, so you use quite a lot of cloud-based tools to help you to assess
yeah.
which molecules are better fitted with its drug. So what type of communicable, non-communicable disease do you work with? Is it malaria, mostly SARS-CoV-2? Is it cholera, bacteria, or viral?
Yeah, I'm working currently on
Malaria.
malaria. Yeah, and it is the same process I wanted to do, like but I wanted to join machine learning techniques and molecular dynamic molecular biology technique together to try to predict some compound that have affinity activities against some malaria drug targets. Yeah,
Okay, so you sort of look at malaria because I'm assuming malaria is quite a serious problem in Maui,
yeah,
and you're using sort of almost AI predictive model
yeah.
to try and figure out which compound best would inhibit or kill the parasite.
Yeah,
All right. And then you mentioned that you're sort of wanting to pursue a PhD. Would that also be in bioinformatics or would that be more sort of AI or big data?
yeah. For my case in PhD, I wanted to combine because today AI is
Fast moving.
yeah,
Yeah.
because I want to combine my knowledge in bioinformatics and molecular biology and AI together.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you want to sync all three fields.
yeah.
So you must have quite a strong coding background, like you're able to do a lot of programming languages.
Yeah, yes. I take courses about Python programming, but it is an online programming delivered by the World Camp University.
Okay.
It is freely based, but I didn't finish yet before the graduation.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still working on it, and also I deliver some training on a fundamental, basic Python using. Yeah,
Okay, so you are a trainer sort of in Python, and
yeah,
then you are sort of upgrading your own skill set with
yeah,
some of the online courses. And then in Maui, I think your native language is French.
yeah,
So English is your second language.
yeah. English is second language.
And how is that, the language barrier is very difficult?
Yeah, the language variant in Mali is English is sometimes very difficult because in my case we learn English at school
Mm-hmm.
and it's not enough, but you have to improve yourself.
Yes.
You have to take courses
Yes.
and that will allow you to improve yourself.
Yeah.
But we face sometimes with participants, those can understand very well English and
Okay.
those cannot. But sometimes if you organize some kind of training, if
Mm-hmm.
some participants are English speaker, you need to extend to the English speaker in English and to the French speaker also you have to extend to them in French also. That it is a very challenging. Yes.
Okay.
But it's time consuming. If you have a training for for 4 hours, you may spend a lot of time to deliver that training.
Okay, I see. So, do you run a lot of training at your institute? Because I mean, here you are sort of learning how to better prepare for training programs, better, maybe foster collaborations.
Yeah.
So, do you do a lot of training yourself at your institution or internationally?
At my institution, I am doing some training in drug discovery process,
Okay.
and most of them in IBT,
Okay.
IBT on
The online.
online
Yes.
bioinformatics. I'm working as a TI
Yes.
to facilitate the courses,
Yes.
and also doing also a lot of courses in Python programming.
Okay.
I some workshop and webinar also in Python programming.
Okay, no, that's very interesting. I think since the 2020 COVID pandemic, we see a shortage of skilled individuals here in Africa, and you lack resources. So, what do you think can be done to better prepare? Do we need more communities? Do we need more trainers?
Yeah, I think for me, we need to be together
Okay.
and to build a strong community
Mm,
around bioinformatics and in data science and yeah, in data science in general, because Africa needs to improve themselves in
yes.
this field.
Yes.
And the problem in Africa can be solved by Africans. I think that's in my mind, and I think we have to go together
We need
in community.
more experts to really transfer that knowledge to the young scientists.
Yeah.
So then you have more expertise of African scientists
Yeah.
on the African continent that can deal with our own problems and issues.
Yeah.
No, that does make a lot of sense. And I think as we come to the end of this interview, I want to really acknowledge and appreciate your time, but also maybe for you to share some knowledge or wisdom to, some of the young scientists or someone coming out of university who want to come into bioinformatics, data science. What do they need to do? Some advice.
Yeah. My advice to them is, I think, for that, I advise young scientists to come together and to work on bioinformatics, because for me bioinformatics is the science in priority for me, because if you perform the lab, you need the analysis for the data in bioinformatics and data sciences. If there are no more people that can train young in this field, it's for me it's not good. Yeah, we can improve our knowledge and to train the young to this field.
So you want to encourage more people to come and study the field
Yeah,
and hope to build more capacity.
yeah,
And then obviously with that, we'll be able to solve a lot of the issues and challenges in
in
Africa.
Africa.
Okay. No, that's very wise words.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome.